cards is honestly if you're going inside. Like if you're going inside of a branch, a lot of times you're not able to like negotiate what you're going to get. When they give you that approval over the computer, like it is what it is. Whatever they said you're going to get is what you're going to get. But if you go to a branch, you can let them know, hey, you need to get a lower interest rate. But say if you already have your credit card and you want to like renegotiate, some of the credit cards are not going to renegotiate with you, but you can possibly apply for another credit card they have, and then they'll give you better options when you apply for your new credit card. But if you want to be able to negotiate, I'm telling you, you guys, when I went to my local credit union in my area, they gave me they refinanced my mortgage. Don't forget, my credit score was only a 620 at the time. They refinanced my mortgage, and I was able to take a loan out on my house. On top of that, they actually gave me a $6,000 credit card. They did a balance transfer for me. They refinanced my car that was upside down, meaning I owe more on the car than actually the car was worth. So they actually refinanced that to the point where I didn't have to bring any additional money, but they actually cut my car payment in half. But I was able to let them know, like, hey, I want to do some type of introductory rate on my balance transfer. I don't want to pay interest right away. And those are the type of things that I was able to do, because the person that I was talking to at this small credit union, they were the person that was going to approve it. Like, that is very important, you guys. So if you want to be able to negotiate these type of things, try to go with a credit union, or even sometimes even a bank, where you can actually sit down with somebody and talk to somebody, especially if they're that person that's going to approve you, because they don't have to send you to underwriting. They're able to do everything right there themselves.